is Dr. Martin. I will show you some of the organs in the cat. This is a female cat, and we dissected just a few minutes ago. And you can see here the trachea. You see the hyaline cartilages all over, all circles. And behind it we have the esophagus, and you can see the larynx here. We have here thymus and the heart. See how the heart vertical? You see the membrane covers the heart? We call this membrane pericardium. And you see the ribs and the lungs. The right lung has, as you see, superior, middle, and inferior lobes. And the left, again, we have superior, middle, and inferior lobe. So there's 6 lobes in the cat. That's one of the difference from humans, because human has 3 on the right, 2 on the left. And here we have a dome-shaped muscle. We call this diaphragm, that separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. When we open this, you see here a ligament. This is ligamentum flavum. Ligamentum falciparum, and separates the lobes of the liver, because this huge organ is the liver. In human we have 4 lobes, but in the cat it's different. You see there's more lobes than we can we can see it. And here you see the big J-shaped stomach. The stomach, and behind the stomach you see the huge spleen. See the spleen, and should be somewhere here the pancreas. Okay, and you see the omentum and peritoneal folding that covers the entire intestines, and you can see the small intestine and the mesentery. You see how thin membranes, and inside of you can see the blood vessels. Then you will see the large intestine. And when we take this away, you will see the right kidney, and when we take away, you will see behind the periton the left kidney, and you see the adrenal glands. Okay, I think that's good for today. Thank you.